Good morning, everyone. My name is Khushbu Padhya. I belong to XYZ, West Bengal. I pursue BA second year in History Honors. As far as my hobby is concerned, listening to music.
Hello everyone. I want to tell you about introduce myself. My name is Muskan. I live in XYG and my hobby is teaching and cooking and speaking English and XYG. That's why.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Yadav. I am from XYZ. I am an arts student. If I talk about my my hobby is lot of eat junk foods. If I talk about my strength is cooking and talking. That's all.
Good morning, all. Myself, Jyoti Kumari. I live in XYZ. My hobbies are concert, football, dance, and jogging. That my favorite my favorite color is black and white.
My favorite color is black.
My favorite color is pink. This color is very good color and very attractive color and I like this color.
My favorite color is black.
My favorite color is black because black is never change its color. That's it. My favorite subject is English because when I learned English, I felt good.
My favorite subject is history.
My favorite subject in English.
My favorite subject Hindi and English. When I was in schooling life, I don't like English, but now I am very interested spoken English. That's all.
My favorite subject in English and Hindi. My dream destination is Kedarnath because places are good.
My favorite dream place is Vrindavan because this was place of Lord Krishna. That's why I like Vrindavan.
My friend dream name is Kolkata and I want with my family and this place is very good place.
My favorite place is Himalaya.
My dream destination is America because the place is very good and the placement was very good. That's it. I think I like great YouTuber because the YouTubers are best and their salary was comfortable and too good.
I want to be a cabin crew.
I want to be teaching job and I like personality.
I always like loco pilot because when I was always travel, then I always thought that I am trying to get pilot, and my parents also get I I am on loco pilot. That's
My favorite job is cabin crew because I like them personality. I like them dress up. My inspiration is Sarjeet sir.
my expressions, my parents and Sarjeet sir, because my parents always teach me good things, and Sarjeet sir also teach me good things. Sarjeet sir always like you are very strong and you are very kind person. That's all.
My experience in is my parents and Sarjeet sir. Sarjeet sir is very good teacher.
My inspiration is Sarjeet sir because this is a good teacher.
My inspiration is UK07 Pro Rider because he is a good bike rider and he is a great YouTuber. That's why I be like him. My favorite dish is chow mein because when I eat, I think I am feel comfortable.
My favorite dish is everything.
My favorite dish is biryani, and I like biryani when I eat comfortable.
My favorite dish pizza, burger, chowmein, and many things. But I really like pizza because because this was very attract me. That's all.
My favorite dish is Maggie because it I eat. I don't like mutton because its smell I don't like.
I don't like cauliflower, cabbage, and non-veg.
I don't like momos and I don't like smells.
I don't like brinjal.
That's the same. I don't like also Brinjal because Brinjal was very bad. My favorite actor is Allu Arjun because her personality and body language was very good, and my favorite actress is Katrina Kaif because he is very good actors and very kind.
My favorite actor is Tiger Shroff and my favorite actress is Kareena Kapoor.
My favorite actor is Shahrukh Khan, and this is very good actor. And my favorite actress is Sonu Nigam. This is very good.
My favorite actor Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani. They also get married, and that's all.
My favorite actor is Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. My favorite singer is Arjit Singh because her voice are good. That's why.
I don't like any.
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh. Arjit Singh's voice is very good.
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh because he likes he like it all songs.
My favorite singer is Honey Singh because her songs was very good and the songs was attractive me.